people I really don't like in the house. मुझे अविनाश मिश्रा ज़रा नहीं पसंद. I feel he's very cocky. Don't like Sara ma'am. Mind coach. I'm kind of lost. Mind का M भी नहीं है वो. I don't like is Alice Kaushik. I think she's really jealous, really insecure. उसकी शक्ल पे ही लिखा है कि वो कितनी jealous है ईशा को लेके.
But why are you entering as a wild card and not like the contestant from Star?
मुझे ये पता है कि मुझे किसको ट्रिगर करना है, कौन आसानी से ट्रिगर होता है, कौन अपना मुंह बंद रखेगा and won't revert back to me. So yeah, I'm really here to show my personality and to really up the game.
Did you always targeted South market when you?
South is a very great industry to work in, very creative. Eventually जब आप South में हो तो आप Bollywood से pick up होते ही हो.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I'm Akriti Bagla and today I'm with Eden, who is all set to, I can say, amp up the glam quotient in Big Boss 18 house. Eden, am I
जी
right?
बिल्कुल. I am not only bringing glamour and spice, I'm bringing my smart and intelligent mindset too.
But why are you entering as a wild card and not like the contestant from Star?
I actually like the fact कि मैं एक वाइल्ड कार्ड कंटेस्टेंट हूँ बिकॉज अब मुझे सबकी खूबियाँ खामियाँ दोनों चीज़ें पता है.
Yeah.
मुझे ये पता है कि मुझे किसको ट्रिगर करना है, कौन आसानी से ट्रिगर होता है, कौन अपना मुंह बंद रखेगा and won't revert back to me. So I'm not going to waste time on those people. So I know a lot about them. Even they don't understand how much I know about them.
But
So,
you have followed the season till so
जी
far, right?
बिल्कुल.
Past seasons में were you offered Big Boss?
No, I was never offered Big Boss. I'm actually from Dubai. मुझे
Yeah.
4 साल हुए इंडिया में आके. And in that 4 साल कोरोना भी था and then I do South
Yeah.
movies. So I was never a part of this ball game altogether.
Yeah. But then what prompted you to maybe take this plunge?
I think right now is the right time. Not only it's the biggest show of India, it's also going to give a lift to my career.
Yeah.
And not only that, as of now, लोग मुझे मेरे good looks, good body type and good style sense के लिए जानते हैं. But there's a lot more layers to me, and I'm glad that I get to showcase that on such a platform
Yeah.
that the whole nation watches it. So yeah, I'm really here to show my personality and to really up the game.
You know, South की बात की आपने. Which star is the best you have worked with, if I can ask?
I have actually worked with only 3 stars. I worked with Ravi Teja sir,
Yeah,
who
that
hands
is
down is amazing.
amazing.
And currently I'm working with Vignesh Shivan sir, and I'm actually working aside SJ Surya. He's somebody that I watched growing up.
Yes.
So yeah, I do love all of these people. But if you ask me, somebody I would look forward to working to would be Dulquer.
Yeah.
Dulquer sir and Ramcharan sir.
But did you always targeted South market when you like tried to enter?
See, I feel like this is a normal strategy for all women. South is a very great industry to work in, very creative.
Yeah.
You get to learn a lot and things are pretty fast there. And then eventually जब आप South में हो तो आप Bollywood से pick up होते ही हो. Eventually, आप pick up होते हो वहाँ से. So I think it's really smart to be part of South, and I'm pretty privileged that they welcomed me with open hands, and मैंने 2 बड़ी pan India films की है उनके साथ.
Yeah. But do you feel, Eden, you know, there is this narrative, I can say, कि okay, South में nepotism exists and there is कि बहुत body shaming. As a girl, you have to go through this body shaming thing.
In South?
Yeah.
Not at all. I think South is the most open industry I've worked with. Nepotism की बात रहे तो South is not like that at all. See, when I went to South, I was also a fresher. मेरे कोई mom dad are not from the industry.
Yeah.
But I got casted in big roles alongside A-list celebrities there. So nepotism तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. You can say there are a few people who have made their name. That is why their legacy continues. जो चीज़ जायज़ है वो यहाँ पे भी होती है. And body shame की बात रही तो I think पूरा इंडिया गवाह है कि साउथ की विमेन बिल्कुल बॉडी शेम नहीं होती है. दे आर ऑलवेज voluptuous, curvy, and they come in all types and sizes. So they are not, in fact they like thicker and chubbier. So body shame तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, not at all. It's false.
You know, आपने साउथ में इतने स्टार्स के साथ काम किया. Now you are going to meet Salman Khan. Excited about it?
I am very excited. I am hands down privileged. मेरे पास ना हमेशा बोलने के लिए कुछ होता है. I'm very vocal, but I feel like जब वो स्क्रीन पे होंगे और वो मेरा नाम लेंगे और मुझसे बात करेंगे, I will be like fumbled because मैं छोटे से उनको देखते आई हूँ and it's such a dream, like his aura, he is the Salman Khan. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ and alhamdulillah I'm so blessed to share a screen space with him.
You know, आपने कहा कि अब आपको घर में सबके strong points, weak points पता है. कौन आपके टारगेट पे फिलहाल?
टारगेट की बात रही तो there are 3 people I really don't like in the house. मुझे अविनाश मिश्रा ज़रा नहीं पसंद. I feel he's very cocky. He's like a latch on. Dora the Explorer वाला backpack नहीं होता, कार्टून देखा होगा आपने तो. वो he's latched on to Vivian और वही उसके कंधे पे चढ़ के he's going ahead, and I don't like his personality. I've seen him so many times go to Alice and Isha and be like, oh, तो तूने कुछ बोला नहीं, मुझे लगा तू कुछ बोलेगी. भाई, you are a grown man. I think you should be enough for yourself. अपने लिए बोलना सीख, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अदर पीपल टू कम स्पीकिंग फॉर यू. आई डू गेट दैट पर्सपेक्टिव ऑल्सो कि कल को आई विल एक्सपेक्ट माई फ्रेंड्स टू टॉक फॉर मी, बट इफ दे डोंट, मैं एक बार बोलूँगी, मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करूँगी उसके बाद. और इतना आई फील लाइक it's just unwanted. I don't like him. I don't like his aura. I feel like he's such a negative human being. I don't know how anybody can like him, but ठीक है, each to their own. Second person I don't like, Sara ma'am. Mind coach. I'm kind of lost. Mind का M भी नहीं है वो. This whole physical thing जहाँ पे बाल खींचना हुआ, scratching हुई and pillow throwing हुई, वो मैं होती तो that day वो भी बाहर हो जाती, मैं भी बाहर हो जाती, क्योंकि मैं ईशा और एलिस की तरह रोती नहीं कोने में. I would have retaliated, and this is why they need to be aware of me. They're so used to those girls being quiet, like Chahat, pretty and all, but they're so feminine and nice and quiet, and then there's me. मुझे इतना सा भी trigger करेंगे तो they're gonna have the worst night of their life. तो Sara B is a big cross for me. I think she's I don't know, she needs help. And third person I don't like is Alice Kaushik. I think she's really jealous, really insecure. उसकी शक्ल पे ही लिखा है कि वो कितनी jealous है ईशा को लेके. And obviously she gives signs that she likes Mishra, and she's kind of jealous that, you know, Isha and Mishra में ज़्यादा closing है and stuff. She keeps going to Mishra behind the back. Oh, उसने मुझे ऐसे मारा, मतलब वो अच्छी दोस्त नहीं है. भाई तू खुद बोल ले, ऐसा है तो tell your friend on your own. I feel like she's a fake friend. She gives backstabbing, like mean girl energy. So these three people I really don't like. But when you say target, I'm gonna keep a clean slate 24 hours के लिए, और उनको judge करूँगी मैं as a contestant.
Yeah.
All these opinions are as an audience. देखते हैं where it goes from that.
But who do you like? So far आपको क्या लग रहा है कि they have their A game on?
I like Vivian. I like Vivian. I think he's a very big red flag. बहुत red flag इंसान है, बहुत arrogant है, बहुत biased है, and अपने आप को, मतलब he has a superiority complex. I like red flag people like that. मतलब naturally incline होती हूँ मैं ऐसे. But also he has a superiority complex and I have a god complex, so it's not gonna work on me. And other than that मुझे करण पसंद है. I feel like करण has so much potential. बस उन्होंने ना vacation समझ के बहुत diplomatic खेलते हैं, वो बहुत careful रहते हैं हर चीज़ के साथ, and this is not the right show for it. But I really love Karan. I think he has a lot of potential. Maybe, inshallah, I can push him to do better. Third person I really like is Rajat Dalal. He is a mirror image of me. मतलब अगर आप पूछोगे ना मेरा male image, it is going to be Rajat Dalal. वो जितने aggressive है, जितने loud है, जितने vocal है, मैं बिल्कुल वैसी हूँ. And मेरे reactions बिल्कुल उतने ही loud होते हैं जैसे उनके हैं. तो I feel like I know people say opposites attract, but I feel like because वो इतने लाइकी के हैं as me, मेरी उनसे बढ़िया जमेगी, and I'm really looking forward to knowing more in depth about that.
But you know Rajat and Vivian के लिए ये भी बोल रहे कि they are like sort of promoting the toxic masculinity in the house. Do you feel as a girl?
So that is there only ना, that Vivian is extremely rude, मतलब चाहत के साथ and all that, but also then you get it right. This is a show and ये उनकी real personality है. अगर वो उनकी toxic masculinity उनकी real वो होगी, रियल कैरेक्टर होगी, एंड वो रियल कैरेक्टर शो पे दिखा रहे, अगर वो बनावटी बनेंगे, इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क आउट. तो आई थिंक इट्स बेटर दैट रियल सेल्फ, लाइक पीपल, द नेशन इज एबल टू सी दैट. And with Rajat, I don't really get toxic masculinity. I think that he's very respectful to all the women over there. वो actually देख दाख के करता है और थोड़ा एक careful रहता है.
Yeah.
तो I don't know where that is coming from, but I think both are great in their way.
And आपने बनावटी बोला, आपको नहीं लग रहा चाहत is playing this whole बनावटी game?
No, actually मुझे लगता है कि चाहत is kind of lost. Unpopular opinion, लोगों को I don't know why they don't like her. सी, हर एक इंसान अलग होता है. मैंने पहले 2 एपिसोड में देखा, आई थिंक वो रोने लग गई थी आफ्टर पुटिंग दोज पीपल इन जेल. तो दिस सारा वाज लाइक वो रो रही है, नाटक कर रही है, सीरियल ड्रामा कर रही है. अरे वो शायद वो इमोशनल है, वो ज़्यादा फेमिनिन साइड पे है. शी गेट्स टीयर्स, वो उसका दिल वैसा होगा. आई एम ऑन द मैस्कुलिन साइड, मे बी आई विल नॉट क्राई सो ईजी, बट माई वे ऑफ रिएक्शन विल बी एक्सट्रीमली लाउड. मुझे नहीं लगता है वो बनावटी है. दैट्स जस्ट हर डूड. वो वैसी है तो है. एंड आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक ग्रूमिंग की बहुत ज़रूरत है, बट बाकी तो आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इन हर. आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी वन एपिसोड दैट आई कैन से ओह माय गॉड दैट्स लाइक रियली रॉन्ग. तो आई थिंक शी इज़ ग्रेट. इट्स जस्ट थोड़ी सी कम दिख रही है वो, मे बी बिकॉज I don't know, she's not able to portray herself.
Lastly, who do you feel ki is living with that grace period in the house?
Grace period, Bagga ji is living with grace period. He's not really. He might be a great person and all of that, but you're on Big Boss, so you need to be seen. You need to do something. The only time I think I see him much on screen is when he is asking for tea.
Yeah.
So I think this space is not right for him. वो grace period पे चल रहा है, पता नहीं कब out हो जाएंगे. तो yeah.
Lastly, what will be your strategy since you have followed the show? सबकी personality पता है, अब क्या strategy है?
मैं एक्चुअली आई नो इट्स गोना बी शॉकिंग टू यू बट मैं कोई स्ट्रैटेजी लेके ही नहीं चल रही, यू नो व्हाई, बिकॉज आई नोटिस विद द लास्ट वाइल्ड कार्ड कंटेस्टेंट्स उनके इतने जब प्री कंसीव नोशंस लेके गए वो, तो वो लॉस्ट हो गए उनमें. मेरे लिए आई हैव प्री कंसीव नोशंस, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू ऑल ऑफ देम, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज देम एज ऑफ नाउ. मैं सबके चिट्टे जानती हूँ, मैं खोलूंगी नहीं अभी. मैं 24 आवर्स 48 आवर्स आई एम गोइंग टू जज देम on the basis of how they treat me, how they act, what fights are they doing, and then I'll make a I won't even make a strategy, I'll go along with the flow with what I receive.
Yeah.
ऐसा रखने वाली हूँ मैं, because I think अगर आप एक mindset बना के जाते हो ना मुझे ये करना है, वो कभी नहीं होता.
Thank you so much. I'm
Thank you
really
so
looking
much for
forward
having
for your
me.
stint and all the best for your journey.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just an ending bite.
Hi guys, this is Eden Rose and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.